In the early 1930s, the European automotive industry was entering a new stage of development. The First World War had already proven that armies needed not only combat vehicles, but also reliable trucks capable of transporting troops, equipment, and weapons over any road and in any weather conditions. The Austrian company Austro-Daimler, already well known for its high quality and advanced engineering, decided to create a machine that would combine strength, off-road capability, and versatility. In 1932, the Austro-Daimler ADG, also known as the M31, rolled out of the factory. At first glance, it was an imposing, sturdy-looking truck, but the real magic was in its engineering. The ADG was built on a tubular backbone frame, an advanced solution for its time. This design gave the truck exceptional strength and the ability to handle heavy loads while still being lighter than conventional ladder frames. The result was improved off-road performance and durability. The ADG's cab was open with a canvas roof. This was not simply a cost-saving choice, it was a practical decision. An open cab made maintenance easier, improved visibility, and reduced weight. All the wheels were single-tired, which helped when driving through mud, snow, or rocky terrain, preventing debris from clogging between the tires. 4 years later, in 1936, Austro-Daimler introduced an improved version, the Austro-Daimler ADGR. At first sight, it looked similar to the ADG, but it featured several key upgrades. Most notably, it was fitted with a more powerful engine producing 80 horsepower, allowing it to carry heavier loads with ease. The rear wheels became dual-tired, improving traction and stability when hauling substantial cargo. One of the ADGR's most intriguing features was its pair of freely rotating spare wheels mounted on each side of the chassis. These were not only backups in case of a flat tire, they also acted as auxiliary rollers, helping the truck climb over obstacles. Beneath the frame and radiator, engineers installed 4 hollow steel rollers, which protected the undercarriage from rocks and logs, while allowing the vehicle to slide more easily when stuck. Both models had impressive technical specifications for their era. Ground clearance was 300 millimeters, giving excellent off-road capability. The drivetrain configuration was 6x6, making it a true all-wheel drive vehicle. The curb weight was around 3 metric tons, and depending on the version, the engine produced either 65 or 80 horsepower. A 7-speed gearbox allowed for optimal power distribution, and the top speed reached 70 kilometers per hour. With a fuel range of up to 300 kilometers per tank, these trucks were very capable for the 1930s. But the Austro-Daimler ADG and ADGR were valued for more than just their technical abilities. They were incredibly versatile. The chassis could be fitted with a variety of bodies, from command and medical units to searchlight platforms and even armored hulls. The armored car version, known as the ADGK, was built directly on this truck's frame. Thanks to its strong backbone design and robust engine, the truck could handle the extra weight of armor plating without losing much performance. In total, only 180 Austro-Daimler ADG trucks and 361 Austro-Daimler ADGR trucks were produced, making them extremely rare today. Surviving examples can be found only in museums, historical reenactments, or private collections, where they are meticulously restored to their original condition. In the history of military transport, these trucks occupy a special place. They combined smart engineering, rugged durability, and the ability to work in conditions where most vehicles would fail. They were respected both in military service and in civilian applications, particularly in the harsh terrain of mountainous and rural areas. Today, when we look at the Austro-Daimler ADG and ADGR, we are not just seeing trucks. We are seeing a symbol of an era, a time when vehicles were built to endure, to last, and to serve in the toughest environments imaginable. If you enjoy learning about unique and rare vehicles that shaped history, make sure to subscribe. Here, we explore machines that changed the game. Engineering marvels from the past that you are unlikely to encounter on the road today, but which once stood at the very peak of mechanical innovation. There are many more fascinating stories ahead, and you will not want to miss them.